Hey guys, welcome to another video from Jay's unboxing channel, and today we're gonna unbox the freaking S10. Why not? I know you guys have seen millions of unboxings, but this one is special. You know why? Because the regular ones fucking only comes with this tape right here, and they were saying that for $1,000 phone that's unacceptable because it just comes out of here. But the T-Mobile variant has two tapes, so it's more secure, whatever. Alright, so let's unbox this shit. So I actually have the Note 9 right now. The unboxing video is on my channel too, if you guys want to check it out. Right there. Okay. Feels so satisfying every time you get a new phone, no matter if you upgrade every time a new freaking phone comes out. It has the books and shit tucked away in here. I'm not gonna mess with that because I just want the phone. Ooh, look at that. God damn. But you see there's lint all over the fucking phone. That's unacceptable. Fuck Samsung. Come on, bro. What are you doing? Okay, then it comes with the warranties and shit. Okay, so this is actually different. If this fucking camera focuses, it's actually a matte white brick. The white one that they had before was actually glossy. Okay, it has the cable, USB-A to USB-C. What else? Charging cable in a freaking box that would destroy the cable before even it's used, because it's like in there so tightly right here. What else? The headphones, I don't need those. I have the Shure SE846. Okay, I'm just gonna put this back because I have heaps and heaps of Samsung chargers, so I don't need it. Well, that was a quick unboxing for you guys. I just wanted to share with you guys that I got the S10, and if you wanted to see it, okay, looks cool. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in another video. Here are some close-up shots of the S10. I can remove this shit for you right there. Let's pour this shit on, bro. If it has power in it. You see, I was trying to press it where the Note 9's power button is. It's right here, and it's way on the top, actually. I don't like this, actually. But let's see how it is. If you guys want to see a review, just let me know. Another close-up fucking shot right here. And you can see fingerprints already on there. T-fucking-Mobile. Dang. This shit looks good. Me likey. Alright, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And it is actually not... Fuck you. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, so it's not a worthy upgrade over the Note 9. I don't think so. But since I'm a freak, I always like to upgrade. The only thing that I'll think is better is the screen. Camera's the same. Everything else is the same. But you get the same amount of screen that you get from the Note 9, but in a really smaller package. So I think it's kind of better. But like, it's not $1,000 better, you know, like I don't need to spend $1,000 again, but I did. All right, well, I'll see you guys later. If you have any questions, shoot me in the comment section. Don't shoot me, shoot a freaking comment, okay?